Hello guys and welcome back to a new video. If you want to drift infinitely, you can buy a formula in the Duber and or you can just get a steal a car if you want to. Step 1 is go to the ocean. Yeah, I'm lagging now. Step 2, activate stunt mode and then when you do Alright, that's all. Thanks for watching and bye.